guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Saturday. I'm getting the Ferrari out. We're recording a special video for Real Ridez. My friend Louis, check out his YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link below, and he's doing a profile of myself and the Ferrari, so that's coming up very soon. That's gonna be interesting, and we're gonna do some rolling shots and things like that, so that's gonna be fun. And this is just a vlog behind the scenes of what's gonna happen, and hope you enjoy it. All right guys, I'm here with Louis. Louis, I'm doing a behind the scenes of your video. I'm telling people to tune in to Real Ridez, so I'm gonna put all the information down below. We're doing the rolling shots now, some drone shots, yeah?
Drone shots, just recorded the audio. We're on our way.
It's gonna be cool. Watch out for that.
Stay tuned.
So we're capturing some sound from the exhaust today. That's gonna be great. It's a beautiful day to be out. Honestly, if it wasn't for the pollen in North Carolina, it's pretty intense because of the trees. But other than that, it's a gorgeous morning. And Louis is gonna do drone shots now. This road, I think that's gonna look super cool. So let's see how that goes. By the way, that's what she said. For real. Alright. Getting the drone ready. Very cool. Life of a YouTuber. All right, Louis, what are we doing?
We're ready to mount some GoPros, get some action shots, some B-rollers, you know, just make some extra content to make this car look great.
Very cool. Let's go on with it. So this is the last location that we're gonna film, and Louis is gonna do some static shots of the car here, and that will be a wrap. So you need to make sure that you go into Real Ridez on YouTube and check out the video very soon. His first video he made with my Audi TT, so you need to check that out too. I'm gonna put the link down below. And he creates great stories with cars and their owners, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. That's great. Two YouTubers collaborating. That's something. All right, Louis, what are we doing now?
We're getting ready to film all the static shots, right? Get this thing in cinematic view.
Nice. I think that car deserves that, right?
Absolutely. I couldn't think of a better car.
Very cool. All right.
Super excited.
Guys, you need to stay tuned to Real Ridez. I'm going to post all the information down below very soon. Stay tuned.